Hey everyone, it's Rich with my wife Kel.
Hi.
We're back to do some first reaction videos for you, and we're going to go right to the cult. Yes, many of you noticed I was wearing a cult shirt. One of our awesome subscribers sent us several shirts, and one of them was that cult shirt. And there's a lot of cult fans out there.
And this shirt, the mystery shirt.
Yes, mystery. Prog rock.
Thank you so much for the shirts and everything else.
Yeah. And if you want to get one of these or one of those, go to the website. You can make your requests happen. It's www.knr.wtf. Go there. The request engine's there. We're not going to say anything more because you've heard it now a couple times. Go to the website. It's all there. And it's being created, so the design's going to change. It's going to look different. We're just getting the stuff up so you can actually see it and then use it.
And for those of you who are joining us for the first time and know not anything about what we're talking about, if you're going to go to the website and make a request, please only request it once, and it will be put in the database along with all the others. And if you're requesting a request from before that we didn't get to, throw it in there and we'll be happy to add it to the list.
Fair enough. So the cult. There was a couple songs that were requested, and what I did is I chose Rain, okay? Or Here Comes the Rain, I believe. But the title on this particular video is Rain, and I checked to make sure that those weren't two different songs. So if I screwed it up, I apologize, but I was pretty sure that without ruining my first reaction, I was able to hear that the first part of both listed songs was this, Rain. And this was from Ariel Peters, Ruckus.
Hello.
And John 57945. Thank you so much, everybody,
Thanks for your request.
for doing this. I know cult has been recommended a lot of times. The problem with our previous request style is that Blue Oyster Cult also came up.
Yes.
And there was a lot for Blue Oyster Cult, and there was a lot of times that cult was just put into comments, so it made it a bit of a shit show. So let's go right to this, my love.
Okay.
I don't know anything about this.
I feel like I should know the cult.
Okay.
But maybe a song? Is there a popular
She
song?
Sells Sanctuary is probably a song that you may have heard me play. That's one of their most popular ones.
I don't know.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it now. Here we go. That's loud enough. Love their sound. One of our subscribers laid drum tracks down around 2001 for them. That's one way to do it. Nice hook. Something very interesting about that time period and their sound and their look. I just want to talk about that for a sec. You can hear the influence of the Edge, so that's the guitarist for U2. You can
The Edge, is that a person or
the
a
Edge
band?
is his name. For there's Bono.
Yes.
He's the lead singer. Then
Yes.
there's the Edge. That's his name. The Edge. So you can hear that like that. That's really cool, but it's their own style. You can certainly hear She Sells Sanctuary, the song. You can hear it's kind of the same sound, similar. He's got a Jim Morrison kind of look to him, the lead singer. Did you notice that? Kind of has that.
No, I tried not to watch because I found it very distracting.
Cool.
So I just decided to close my eyes.
All right, I'll tell you what I saw, and then you can, if you want, you can just add what you heard. So the other thing was they have a Duran Duran thing going on. They were like the bad boy Duran Duran band. No slight, because I think Duran Duran was wildly talented. And they just took a little bit of a harder, raw, or rockier edge. And I thought it was really cool. I mean, obviously that was in the 80s, maybe early 90s, but I think with the Quaffs and the whole light show and stuff, I think that was like 86, 87, 88. I'm guessing. I don't know. And I loved it. It's a great song. It just is as a structure of a song, it all works. There was so many great songs that were coming out during that time. And the Cult is one of the bands that I just wasn't focused on, but I certainly want to hear a lot more of them because I really like their sound. I can appreciate them more than I did back when I was that age, in the 80s and 90s. What'd you hear?
I have heard something from this band before. My brain is percolating on some. I know their sound, and if I heard the song, I might be able to put the two together. It was a song on the radio. It doesn't matter.
You want to do it now?
I don't know. I don't know.
Put it on?
Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Throw your ears on.
Okay. I don't know.
I won't even list this in the comment. Oops, careful. I won't even list
sorry.
this in the comment in the description. All I have to do is just go to Spotify. So just hang on one sec, guys.
This is exciting. This is an unplanned adventure. Oh, sorry, I keep hitting the mic.
That was me.
We have a new setup, and we're just still trying to get oriented. Yes.
Let's listen to it.
Yes, this one.
We'll do this as
Right.
a rewind reaction.
Well, I haven't heard the whole song.
I fucking love this song.
Yeah, this is the one. Yeah. Totally. That's so good you knew that. Hey, nice. Yeah, this one. So great. Such a great band.
It's like a dance party.
Listen to that.
Make it a little louder. where we'd be like dirty dancing to the song, but we have to keep it clean. Or else we get...
No, we get thrown off YouTube. It's more than that.
Come on, sing along. You know the song.
I don't know this song.
No, I'm talking to them.
Yeah. All of you. Airmite. Oh, yay!
Thank you, Dark Continent. Oh shit.
What's this? What is this?
Preview. If you can name that song, yeah. I know that song.
Okay. Love the Cult. Totally had them confused with The Cure.
Yeah, and we had one. You know who you are if you're watching. We had the first Cure request. And I was like, that's a band I didn't like. Because I was in my phase of life. I was listening to prog. I was listening to metal. It just didn't. But I think I want to go back to listen to them.
Absolutely.
We won't make it a Cure station.
No.
Because a lot. I don't want to start talking about the Cure. I
don't know enough
I'm
about
not going
them.
down that
all
hole.
I thought is I just had them all mixed up.
Yeah.
Like that's not uncommon for me though with all this.
Yeah. You're doing great.
Thanks.
This is like your total education. You're revisiting your childhood.
Yeah, a lot of the time for me it's just pieces of these little snippets like a commercial. I'd hear a chorus or I'd hear a riff and I'd walk into a room or I'd get into a car or I'd turn on the radio and it'd be like the end of a song and I would never find out the rest of the song or parts of like
I think you're not alone.
Yeah.
Everyone has different experience.
There's just so much music out there and there just isn't enough time to be versed in all of it.
We are making up for lost time. Yes, we are. Yes, we are.
So I loved both of those songs. And when I did watch a little bit of the video of Rain, he does remind me of someone. Peter Steele.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
Yes. And so that all has to go on it all has to go on the other playlist.
The other playlist is getting longer. That can only mean one thing.
We need more memory.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. 100%. I'm not going to give you a high.
Phones.
I'm not going to give you a high. We're going to need bigger headphones.
I meant bigger phones to store the playlist.
Oh, okay. We're going to need a bigger phone. That's very funny. All right, let's get out of here. Let's do some more music.
To do.
Thanks for the fun, guys.
Thanks for being here. Bye.
Later.